num2. Now we can access this text field by using num reference variable. I can access this text field by using this reference variable. So anyway, if I call num1, it represents this text field. So num1 dot set text empty, num2 set text what this set text method will do, it is setting text to text field. The text here is empty. So that's make clear illusion of our text field. Then the result text field result dot set text empty string. And then after we have done all the jobs in the clear method, I'm going to return controller from the action perform method into outside. We run, compile, run. Let me write something here. You know, we can't type on here because we set it as a set editable false. So if we click on clear button, okay, it's not working. The issue here is we need to register those buttons to an listener. To do this, I'm gonna register this add button by using add action listener. This what this code will do, admits this button. By using this button object, we are calling add action listener method. This add action listener method tells the button class this current AWT calculator object is the responsible class to handle actions what we have performed in this button. And then add action listener to handle the actions what we have performed in the subtract button is also responsible this class, this AWT calculator class. And then null dot add listener div clr dot add action listener this. Now when we click on button, JVM create action event object. By passing action event object, JVM automatically calls this action perform method. By using getSource method, we are checking what button via click. If it is clear button, it should clear all the text inside of it. Save. There's a typo here. Sub. Action. Listener. Now if I type, now it is clear our text fields. If we click on it, clear. If we click on a clear button, this clear out our text what we type. Then if e dot get source equal add, then here we need to create variables. Double in one, double dot pass double, num1 dot get text. What this code line will do, will take the text what we are typed inside num1 text field and then convert that text into double variable. Then double into is equal to double dot pass double num2 dot get text. And then I need another variable for result. Double res is equal to 0. Then